So today we're going to do a 2012 Camaro SS. We're installing the new 6th gen headlights. As you can tell here, we already have the bumper off. Headlights are out. So basically what I'm going to show you is how to install, connect them. This is an SS, so we will be needing a harness. So I'll be showing you exactly how to connect that. So first thing you want to do is get the supplied harness. As you can see, it's got a 4-pin plug on one side, a 3-pin on the other, and one black and one white wire. Very simple. Let's try this side here. I'm going to get the factory headlight plug. Place this here and simply plug that in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now you have your 2 wires, and these 2 wires are going to go to the actual headlight. On the headlight you'll see a black and white wire coming out, so they just coordinate with this one, black and white, and this will plug into the back of the headlight. Here we have our new headlight. We've got the cover on. If you flip this around right quick, you can see you've got your plug for yours. This harness here will simply plug into here. Make sure it's tight. You have a black and white wire here. So I'm going to take those 2 black wires out, and you already have the splices. So we're going to get our wire connectors and get those connected up. Alright, so I'll show you how to connect these right quick. This one here is going to go to the black. Simply stick that wire in there. Got our crimpers here. Crimp that. White wire. Crimp. Now these are weather pack, so you can get a torch like what I've got. Heat these up. That way they make a nice good tight seal. Now we got the 3-wire hookup. We've got our halos hooked up. Now we took the stock bulb socket with the bulb out of the originals. So we're going to twist that in there. Bring our headlight down. Plug in our turn signal, snap that in. Set these headlights up right there. Let's temp install a couple screws so we can check the function on these. Alright, now that we got it semi-mounted, we can get that peel off of there, and let's see what they look like. So now we have these installed. You can see it's got that nice little swoosh, just kind of like the 6th gens on there. This headlight here, we actually upgraded the bulbs. We stayed halogen, but we went to an Osram cool blue. We'll show you how to install those later. Or you can actually install an LED in there. It takes an H11 LED, or you can do an aftermarket HID kit, depending on what you think is going to be the best light output for you.